Today I will be using the Crescendo C2300 card, which contains technology for physical access, PKI, and FIDO, as well as A and C versions of the Crescendo key. I will use a contactless high-frequency OmniKey reader for communicating with the devices over NFC. I'll first log in using username and password, then launch a browser and go to mysignins.microsoft.com. Under Security Info, I can add my devices. Here I will add security key as an authentication method. For the demo, I will add each device using NFC. However, it is possible to add the Crescendo key via USB. I'll present the Crescendo 2300 to the reader and create a device pin. Now let's give it a friendly name. I will name it Crescendo 2300 card. Next, I'll add the two Crescendo keys. The process is the same, so I will speed this up. I'll add the Crescendo key type A, choose a pin, and give it a name. And now the Crescendo key type C. Okay, let's try logging in. I'll select the FIDO security key tile. I'll present my Crescendo C2300 card and then enter the PIN that I created earlier. Let's lock the workstation and try the Crescendo key type C. Type the PIN. Let's lock again, and this time use Crescendo key type A in a USB port. The Crescendo key is already inserted, so I will type the PIN. And then press the button on the key to show proof of presence. To demonstrate how FIDO works with a web application, we created a simple demo site that supports WebAuthn. I'm going to first register a test user, and then enroll my card for that user. Now that I'm enrolled on the website, I can test logging in. I will present my card to the reader and enter my PIN to access the site. HID DigitalPersona supports FIDO tokens such as the Crescendo Key and C2300 card. I'm going to log in on a workstation that has DigitalPersona installed and then enroll a FIDO token. Let's use a Crescendo C2300 card for this demonstration. Using Windows Group Policy, I could combine the FIDO authentication factor with other factors for MFA. But to keep this demo simple, I will leave FIDO as a single factor. I will log in by selecting the FIDO key tile, and then I will present my card to the reader.